Hi and welcome back to Tier 10 to Prem. My name is James and this is Mousehole AFC in the Priisek channel. Hopefully you'll be around in League One this season to see what we're going to do and see if Matthew Roberts can carry on his massively overachieving goal scoring fate. So today, here we are, we've had our transfers. There's nothing changed from the last game or the last time we saw you. We're still looking for that right winger, but apparently Paul McGee could be that man. He's here wandering, and 16s for pace, dribbling a 13, sorry, so we'll see. But for today, with a couple of injuries that we've got and fitness levels as well, the first time we see this new look Mousehole AFC in Sky Bet League 1, Harvey is in goal. We've gone with Harvey, Pritchard, Edwards, Jones and Broad, Collins, Chitty, Areno, McGee, Paul and Roberts up top. So Watt is in on the bench as a goalkeeper, Daly, Wiggins, Allen, Capello, Burke and Ewan Sutherland. Sutherland's another one who could possibly be that answer out on the right, but we'll have to see. Another one as well, Burke can play there, but not really. And another one, ever dependable, Paul Allen. Could be the answer out there, but again, yeah, it has to be an inverted. So we've got inside forward for Paul Halson. Areno is playing as a advanced playmaker, box-to-box midfielder for Collins, and that ball-winning midfielder for Chitty in there. Let's go and play, shall we? We've got to give someone a squad number. It's probably Sutherland. We'll give him the 17 shirt. No, we need another winger, so we might have to 27. Let's not be too bold. Let's go and have a game of football. Preston today. We're away. We're at Deepdale. Got nothing to lose. Go out and show us what we're capable of. Here we go. It's another season of this, isn't it? I think we was like 300 to 1 or something crazy on that stupid pre-season billing, but we'll see. We will see. Chris Wilder is the Preston manager. 2 bookings in the first few minutes for this lot, and they're playing a 3-2-2-1-2 formation. Not one I'm familiar with, not one I've seen for a long time. And we do know that there's going to be a couple of players who are fitness levels, because it's just the way it is, unfortunately. Neil Swarberry, McGee, Pritchard beats his man, swings it in, Roberts gives it back, Roberts shooting, Pritchard again. Roberts is being a bit, and Chitty is a bit slow. Is he slow? I don't remember him being slow. And why Roberts wasn't having a shot after scoring 48 goals last season, and the ball goes over. Yes, I don't... Chitty 13. Unless, mate, he's that blooming quick. Paul Halson has got a pulled thigh muscle. Allen's back in. Paul Allen straight back into the team. Pulled thigh muscle from Paul Halson in his first appearance. Oh dearie me. Hopefully it's not too bad. Pritchard to McGee. Back to Pritchard. Roberts. I think we need to change something here. And I know exactly what it is. It's that blooming out of possession, get stuck in. And we're 1-0 down. God darn it. Everybody was standing off. Everyone was standing off. Ball comes in, and who is that? That's Jones, isn't it? Oh no, it's Chitty again. Is Chitty going to be the new scapegoat already? He's been billed as being this superstar, and so far he's not doing much. They've only got 2 in midfield. We've got 3 in there. You would think that we'd be trying to get all over them, unless Brown is doing something else. There's a demand more coming up to half time, and we're all in the mid 6s. They're not much better, to be honest. XG 0.6, 0.3. We've been unlucky so far. No, I'm not going to say that. Show us something else in the second half. Seem motivated. I'm not going to say we're unlucky, because we're not unlucky. We've just been poor. XG story. See, they've got a better XG than us. And it's going to have to be a couple of changes. Collins off now. Burke will be 1. McGee, and it will be Sutherland. Kiefer Sutherland. Yeah, I've got to get it right. Sutherland. Donald Sutherland. Old names. Let's fire them up. Come on, boys. Chitty, 6.5 in there. And it's Preston again. And it goes over the bar. 67 minutes, 68 minutes gone. 1-0. Corey Harvey to Edwards. Forward. Aranio. It's the first time we've seen him. Arano. Didn't do well with the finish. I completely agree with for the commentary there. Oh, dearie me. Have we really bitten off too much than we can chew this season? It's a demand more. Pritchard's taking it. No, ignore that. Staying on, son. Potential shoulder injury. You can play with a shoulder injury. Don't run with your shoulder. Oh, come on. This is just 85 minutes in. 1-0. There's not been a lot in it. We haven't had a shot on target, though. That is a disappointing thing. That is disappointing. And I don't think we're going to get anything from today. Another demand more for these last few minutes. And it's a 1-0 defeat. Oh, it's a defeat. First game into the league. We were the underdogs. It was a good effort. Unlucky, nice, but it wasn't to be. I'm not happy. I'm not beating around the bush. We don't beat around the bush here at Trungle Park, at Bicklem Park, Mousehole AFC. We tell it how it is. And that's what we've got to do. Arano makes his professional debut. 22 years old. We've got some new... what's he like? Oh... We've got some new backroom staff as well. Natasha Doyle, our new head physio. We've also got some other staff members. We've got a new director of football, Tim Renshaw. Or was he here last season? No, it's head of youth development, Tom Legg. That's the one. Unfortunately, Johnny Ludlam has gone. Oh, bad shoulder. Frustrating. Right. Let's fast forward to the next game against Swindon. So here we are for the game against Swindon. And I don't know why I've just done that. I must have pressed quick pick earlier on. And what was put in goal? That's not happening. What is not going in goal? Corey Harvey's in goal. Jones is right back. We've said this before, I know. Okay. Jones is right back. Edwards, Daly, Broad. Arano, Chitty, Collins, McGee, Paul Halson and Roberts. Let's see what happens. Someone in the squad ain't got a... Oh! Bigger Kalanga. I forgot all about that lad. We signed him last season. Did we sign Bigger Kalanga? And he's now developing into a decent player. 17 years old. He's on our bench today. Been playing pretty well, so we've brought him up. And we'll see how he gets on. It's all over to you. Have a good one. I like that one. I like that one. Little short little team talk. And it's Mousehole to kick off the game. They're playing a straight 4-4-2. And can we today get our first win? Or is it going to be Swindon? And I know exactly what we've done again. I've got to sort out this instruction. This is not good enough. Oh my word. Is it time to change the goalie? Broad heads it away. Cook gives it to Burton, and Burton from miles out Corey. 5 minutes in, 1-0 down. Demand more straight away. This isn't good enough. Roberts on a run. He's got his gloves on. Roberts coming forward. Chitty, all just past the post. And we're packed in. I think there was nearly 1,200 season tickets we'd sold as well this season. Tranmere rock bottom. We're not far off it. And we can't even do another talk. I wanted to just encourage them. And it's another throw into Swindon Town. Jones away with it. McGee beaten. Oh, Corey didn't even dive. Is it... Are we seeing the end of Corey? He's 30 years old. I don't want to say it because I want to keep him playing. I want to get him in the Premier League. But this could be it. Encourage. Come on, boys. They're motivated. Everybody's up a bit. And maybe it's the formation. Maybe we need to actually play with an extra one in behind the striker. Because look at it here. Such a gap. McGee to Jones. Edwards, Jones. The little 1-2s. Roberts beats his man. Poor Halson. Roberts, he was putting them away last season. Oh. I'm just thinking, Collins can play there as well. We'll have to have a look in a minute. It's another fire up. Daly wins the header. Poor Halson. Game is glitching. Must be an update somewhere. Roberts on his left foot. 49 goals last season. We've hit the target twice. Somebody has anyway. Areno's got a booking. And coming up to half time, we're 1-0 down. It's going to be a rollicking, boys. It's going to be a rollicking. Throw the water bottle. I am not happy with this. It's not very often we do this, but start of the season, this is not good enough. This is not good enough. Uninspired, unmotivated. And now Daly's got a knock. Knee ligaments. Right, hang on. What are we doing? What are we doing here? Knee ligaments. Capello for Daly. Jones there. We're certainly not bringing Wiggins on in that position. Right, 1-0 down. It's a demand more. And it's Swindon again. And Corey's gone the other way. Oh no. This is not good, boys. This is not good. 4-4-2. Anyone? Paul Allen. For Areno. Areno's out of there for the minute. And we've got one more change left. Harry Jones is not playing well, but we know he doesn't like playing there as a right back. I think that's what's done him again today. One more change, keep in the bag a minute. Fitness levels. Collins on a 6.6. Burke can be the change there. Let's go a bit more attacking. Shout, no. Team instructions. Higher tempo. Get the ball forward. Hit early crosses. Get stuck in. Higher tempo. Get the lines up. Go for it. Play football. Win a game. Get a draw. Do something. Get points on the board. Come on. Demand more again. They're getting frustrated. Broad look 7.1. The boy's playing well out there. He is. But other than that, we are playing awful. And there's just not a lot we can do. Try shorter passing. Alright, do it. Try something. Nothing happened for those 15 minutes. Berate them. Oh, they fired them up. Come on, boys. This is the one. 5 minutes to go. Very attacking for these last 5 minutes. Can we get something? This is going to be one of those typical Football Manager ones, isn't it? It's just going to play out and be nothing. Corey Harvey does one for the cameras. But does this mean we're going to get the ball? Roberts. Into Allen. Paul Allen. Paul Allen! Gets the first goal for Mousehole AFC in League One. Oh my goodness. Corey Harvey, lump up front. Roberts brings it down. First time ball into Allen. Allen, little dinking chip. What a beautiful goal that is. Absolute beauty. Now don't throw it away now. We'll have a draw. We'll take a draw. 5 minutes of added on time. And it's Capello to Roberts. Squares it. Hits the bar. We've hit the bar. And it's another highlight for Mousehole. Broad. Short one. Broad swings it in. Roberts. Burke. Oh my goodness. We've turned it around in added on time. Wow. This is something. Allen again involved. Roberts to Burke. It's all the old boys. Unbelievable. 3 points. Fortress Bickland Park. Who would have believed it? Absolutely wonderful. So throwing the water bottle at half-time did work. Who would have believed it, eh? Paul McGee. All of them playing very well out there today. And that's put us up to 14th place. And we will be back straight away, actually. We'll do the Carabao Cup against... No, we won't. We're not going to do the Carabao Cup, actually. We're going to come back for Walsall and Bristol Rovers. Because I think we need to get a foothold in this league and we need to see what we're doing. So if you've enjoyed that, everybody, please do come back for the next match. Hopefully, we'll have already won that Carabao Cup game against MK Dons, and then we can do a nice performance in the league. But let's see what we can do. Catch you soon.